This is the part 3 of the Kenmore 19001. I got it. I get the feed dogs up. Okay, remember, this is for cleaning. I put a little oil here, here. Also, you can, without worrying, you see the cans or that gear over there? Well, that need to be greasy because this is the most move when we embroider. So I put a little grease there. I use this one. Put in my finger and reach there. And after I start to move like that. Always for the base, you see, or the grease go for all the parts. It's a little, I know it's a little rusty, the white one. It's not white now, it's brown, but I clean it the most I can first with alcohol, and now I'm doing that. I know it's going to be better with that. The other thing is in here. Remember, I am looking in the back and I checking for my feed dog because was not moving. So I see this one. A little grease here, and also this one, the spring was over the left side. I just move with my finger there like that. With this I move to the right side and click, something happen, and the feed dogs now is up. It's what I want. Okay, thanks God. Now we process to close all, and I also already made check and put oil in all the parts. All the parts you see move, I put oil. Okay, have a good day, guys. God bless you, and continue pray for this country. Bye, guys.